God attach major rewards sometimes to patience, because with patience or long suffering is when your heart, the real you, turns up. People can say, I will never do that to you. You know, me, I would never do that. Give them time. I said you would only know a true friend, not quick, in time. You will really know if a person really loves you or check for you, not overnight. Don't let ghosts fool you when they tell you, oh, I love you with the love of the Lord. I will never leave you nor forsake you. I'm me for tell you. You know how many persons come and say, oh, I will never. With all cow bawling to, listen, when them ball cow have no more tears. Moo, I would never, man of God. And them are the first one to leave you. And if there was a knife there, there would be the first.